Here we are at low tide in Hua Hin Beach. This is, I don't know if you can see it over there, but there's a pier. And we believe that's the pier that you take to go to Pattaya, which is across the bay in front of us. This is where you grab the ferry. And there's all these restaurants in this part of Hua Hin, which is near our accommodations, which you'll find on the webpage. Just click. These restaurants are out over the water in the evenings. It looks like around lunchtime is. Hey, Chung Hoi. This is Dan of Vagabond Buddha. This is my Hua Hin walking tour video and map. To get your interactive Google map for this walking tour, just click the link in the notes below this YouTube video and start walking. At that link, you'll also find everything you need to know about Hua Hin, so you can just enjoy yourself instead of doing more research. Okay, back to our walking tour. And next we're going to go to a Chinese temple. It's supposed to be the oldest spot in the city. And you probably can't see it, but it's over there. Just on, I think, just see the red fence above those boats. I think that's where it is over there. So we're going to head over there. So heading into the Chinese temple, there's all these pictures of generations of local people that lived here, and they're talking about how this was the first settled part of the city hundreds and hundreds of years ago, and how this land is being taken away from them by the city. And I don't know if that's exactly correct translation, so forgive me if I'm misquoting what's happening here, but just reading off the signs. And here it is. This is the oldest part of the city, this street, and this temple, this Chinese temple, Thai Chinese. And these homes here are the land, I guess, that was originally settled. As usual, very colorful. Shrine here. Looks like there's 3 or 4 little worship rooms here. That's the second one. Here's the third. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name of this temple, but it's on the webpage. Just click below this video. And there's a nice little view here. They do have horseback riding on the beach here, if you're into that. Oh, and there's a bunch of tents out here. I'll have to come by here and check it out. Just a little north of the, I guess no, south of the temple. I don't know if you can see those. And it's kind of local looking, and so it probably has decent prices rather than big resort tents, or we got the little umbrellas. Just loving the wall art here. This is Dan of Vagabond Buddha. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, could you please like it, comment, or subscribe to our channel? That would really help our business. Thanks a bunch. It's a beautiful temple, very ornate, as you can see. So this is Hua Hin, which of course is a Buddhist temple. Here you see an elephant bowing to this to the Buddha. So this is the Hua Hin railroad station. It's one of the oldest railroad stations in Thailand, and this is because this is the summer home of the royal family. Hua Hin is, and so this is the private rail station of the king. And this is the public one over here. You like that? I just made that up. But so we had a choice. We either buy a 400 baht first class ticket, and which takes only 30 minutes quicker to go 4 hours away, or we could pick the third class ticket for 44 baht, which is like $1.25. So we could just spend $12 or $1.25, and of course Vagabond Buddha, we're wandering around as cheap as possible, so we spent $1.25. We head out of here on Sunday up to Bangkok. So this is the railway station, and it's pretty cool. You should check it out. So we're in Hua Hin. This is the night market. Oh, Hua Hin. Hua Hin night market. Check it out, party people. The last night market we in was the Krabi town night market, and it's like one square block, and it's just really a cramped area. and there's a lot of booths there, and it was really crowded, hard to walk. But here there's a lot of space. It seems like a lot more shops. It's a big cross street area, so it's very comfortable walking around here. And it's cooler, we've noticed. Krabi has the same weather patterns as Hua Hin in terms of months and rainy period and all that. And but it's cool. I'm sure it's cool in Krabi right now too. But it's very comfortable, so we're really enjoying it. And a lot of space, cool little breeze blowing through here, and it's a beautiful market. You need to check it out.
This Thai pork soup, tom yum with
So Chung Hoi found a nice noodle dish here. 50 baht? Yeah. It's a pork noodle. Is it good? You like it?
It's not bad.
Not bad? For $1.20 dinner. I guess $1.60 actually. And that's the chef who's over there.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. Come to Vagabond Buddha, check out our Retire Cheap reports, also our retirement planning, and all the information you need to learn how to retire internationally for less money than it costs at home. Come check us out.